In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with HubSpot. This is a simple connection to set up, and once it's in place, it can make it much easier to move form responses into your HubSpot workflow. If you use Typeform to collect leads, feedback, or customer information, connecting it with HubSpot helps keep everything organized in one place. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage more than one portal, since the integration will be installed inside the account you're currently using. Once you're in, give the dashboard a second to fully load so all navigation options are available. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps its app integrations, tools, and connection options. If you haven't used it before, think of it as the place where you can expand what HubSpot does by linking it with other platforms you already use. After opening the marketplace, search for Typeform. You can use the search bar to find it quickly. As you type, HubSpot should start showing matching app results. Select Typeform from the list to open its integration page. On this page, you'll usually be able to review a short overview of what the integration does, along with any basic requirements for connecting the two tools. Once you're on the Typeform app page, click Install. HubSpot will then guide you into the sign-in and authorization process. At this point, you may be asked to sign into your Typeform account and approve access so the two platforms can communicate with each other. Read through the permission screen carefully so you understand what information is being shared and what actions the integration is allowed to perform. After you complete the sign-in process, the integration should begin connecting your accounts. Depending on your setup, you may see additional prompts or confirmation screens, so just follow the on-screen instructions until the connection is complete. And that's it. You've now started the process of integrating Typeform with HubSpot through the HubSpot marketplace. If something doesn't connect right away, double-check that you're logged into the correct accounts in both platforms before trying again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.